hurricane. So I'll leave the past in the past, 'cause there ain't no future in looking back. I'll send this baggage all the way. Yeah, I say, hey, oh, today's gonna be my day. Oh, yeah, I say, hey, oh, today's gonna be my day. Everybody loves the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Everybody loves the sun. It don't matter where you're going, it don't matter where you're from, 'cause everybody loves, everybody loves, everybody loves the sunshine. I don't ever see that light for me. Did you sell your soul to be happy? Yeah, we've got a long way to go. Gotta loosen that grip and just let go. Yeah, everything we got is all we need. Everybody loves the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Everybody loves the sun. It don't matter where you're going, it don't matter where you're from, 'cause everybody loves, everybody loves, everybody loves the sunshine.
Kay baby sa kanya habang lumalaki. So, tawagin natin si... Ayan, ang una si Kagawad. Liwanag.
Message daw, message.
Morning everyone! Hi Mia, baby Mia, may inaanak, pang 239 inaanak ko siya.
Ubus ang bonus mo niyan sa Pasko, Kagawad.
And I'm so honored and thankful for baby Mia. Nakikipag-usap na siya. So of course, I wish you all the best. I pray to God to grant you the gift of wisdom, paglaki mo, para maintindihan ang lahat ng sitwasyon, for the gift of courage to face the challenges of our times. Pero knowing the personality of Mia, mukhang matapang na bata ito. Kaya mag-excel to later on. So I pray to God to grant you all the blessings in life, kasama si Mama at si Papa at mga kapatid. So I wish you the best. Thank you so much.
Kaya ang mga inaanak ko sa paan. Dab ka ni Nino.
Hi, baby. Yan ako mama mo dahil last week siya ni Ninong Eric Munet. Stop singing! Sana maging singer ko. In the future, you will be good. When you grow up, you will have your own family, and you will always entertain us.
Baby Lia, siya lang yung babae, baby, kaya ng mama at papa niya, maging mabait. Since high school, kakilala ko papa mo, napakabait ng papa mo. Yan lang.
Gusto ko sana makamulog. Yan lang.
Gusto ko mag-thank you kasi napili ako ng mami mo na pag-iinan mo. Papangako ko sa'yo, simula ngayong araw na to, lagi kong ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano ka kahalaga. Wow! Sana magmanang kayo din ng anak strong. Diba? Malipasan mo lahat ng mga dadating na pagsubok sa buhay mo. Lagi kang gagabayan ni Lord, kung makakang matalino at mabait na ka. Love you! Welcome to the Christian world and wish me all the best in marriage and mabait na and we're always here for you.
May the God, Lord, bless you, guide you, and protect you into the right path. Lumakas ka sa kanyang mabait, katulad ng papa mo, and strong katulad ng mami mo.
Sabi na strong lang ako sa mobile.
And maging mabuti at mapagmahal na anak. And next time ka rin, ang minang routine mo will guide you and protect you. Will guide you sa paglaki mo. At mahal ka rin niya. We love you.
Mark and Bless na isa ko sa mga nina mo, syempre. Ang pretty-pretty niyan eh. And sana lumaki ka na magating anak and may tama sa Diyos. And magmana ka sa mami mo na strong girl, syempre. And andito lang palagi si Mami And sana gabayan ka palagi ni God and magkaroon ka palagi ng good health. Yun lang. I love you, baby.
Hello, Mika. Welcome to the Christian world. Thank you for choosing me as your ninang and to be part of your journey in Christ. Lumaki ka na maging maganda at matalino. Kasi strong ni Mami, kasi sabi ko daddy. Talaga mo na strong. So, syempre, muna yung daddy mo din. Mia, thank you. So, okay. First time to see you, Mia. Welcome to the Christian world. And thank you kasi mana ka sa akin. So, ano lang, I pray na lumaki kang mabuting tao, God-fearing, and makamit mo lahat ng mga...
Mommy-fearing. Dapat mommy-fearing.
Ako pumasok.
Ninang Mika ang ninang mo. Pinararating niya na napakaganda mo na. Wala sa kanya. Oo, sabi mo na, I love you, Mia.
So, as a baby, as of now, stay adorable, lovely, and always be happy. And you will be always be loved. Happy Mia.
Ayan, so sana samahan niyo po si Mami at Daddy sa pagpapalaki kay Baby Mia. Yan. So, thank you so much po mga ninong and ninang.
Para sa iyo, gabayan ka ng Panginoon, lumaki ka ng maganda, masigla, masaya, magiging Miss Universe ka, ng bansa.
Yan ang wish namin, maging mabait na bata, masunurin, at God-fearing. Thank you rin po sa mga dumalo at binigyan mo ng time at kahit busy kayo, nandito kayo. Maraming salamat sa presence. Thank you.
Mile after mile, you can't take away my smile, even when I'm feeling inside out. I got all that I need, ain't no baggage underneath. Took my frown and turned it upside down. Now I'm feeling like la la da la la da 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 la.